Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg dip. Combine 1 cup Greek yogurt with ½ cup mayonnaise and stir until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Fold in chopped herbs and minced garlic, adjusting thickness with a splash of milk if needed. Chill for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors before serving with fresh vegetables. Try different flavor directions to keep this dip interesting. For Mediterranean flair, stir in chopped sun-dried tomatoes, olives, and oregano. For a smoky chipotle twist, add 1 teaspoon chipotle in adobo and a squeeze of lime. Keep measuring light at first and taste as you go so salt and acid stay balanced. These variations are quick and customizable, and they pair well with crunchy carrots, bell peppers, or pita chips. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling fresh after grocery runs and farmer market trips. It's a small change that feels luxurious. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Texture matters for dipping and snacking, so adjust the consistency to suit your vegetables. If the dip is too thick, add milk or olive oil 1 teaspoon at a time until smooth. Keep leftovers in a sealed container and use within 5 days to maintain freshness. When serving, let the dip sit at room temperature for 15 minutes to release its full flavor. Always give it a quick stir before presenting to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.